So you're making videos, but you're embarrassed about how they're turning out, or you're just not getting the results for the effort that you're putting in making these videos. Well, today I'm going to talk about 3 quick fixes to make your videos better. And you're going to want to stick around to the end because the last one that I'm going to talk about is definitely the best. A simple mistake I see so many people making, and I don't want you to make it anymore. And I'm going to let you know how you can get a free guide that even builds on that golden piece of information that I'm going to give you so you can make better videos going forward. All of that's coming up. Hey, I'm Frankie J, and entrepreneurs and business owners hire me to propel their business using video because most don't have the skill or the time to create videos that are actually effective in getting them results for their business. Not to mention that many are actually afraid of even putting themselves out there. So I help them to quickly and easily create videos, gain that confidence, and know that they're creating the right videos at the right time to get wicked ROI for their business. Because let's face it, video is a 24/7 salesperson that's working for you. But now onto our 3 quick fixes that you can make so you're creating better videos. Number 1, gonna seem simple here, but bear with me. Plug in a microphone. Okay, I'm not telling you have to go and buy a microphone, but plugging in a microphone means that you'll get better quality sound, and all you need to do is actually just plug in your headset that came with your phone, and it's gonna act like a lapel. Why this is important is if people can't hear you very well, maybe you're out into a windy day, maybe you're in Starbucks doing a quick video for your followers, if they can't clearly hear you, chances are they're not going to want to stick around to struggle to listen to get the information that you want to give. So first tip is plug in your microphone, use your headset. Number 2, edit your videos. Now don't freak out and go, oh God, that's going to take me hours. The benefits far outweigh the time it's going to take because people don't have time to stick around and watch a long video that has you going from, hey, I'll come with me, walking over to this next spot. Cut those sections out, make it nice and slick, concise, to the point, so your audience can get what they need from the video while still developing that relationship with you without having them come and go, oh, she's still going on? Okay, I'm watching this later, or I won't even come back to it because I just don't have the time. Make it nice and slick and to the point. Also, it means you'll stand out more as well. Now, number 3 is definitely the best tip I can give you, and it's a simple mistake that so many people are making, and that is to never start with your name. Don't jump on camera and go, hey guys, I'm so-and-so, and I'm a fitness trainer who can blah, blah, blah. Yes, your current followers will sit through that, but the new people that you're trying to reach, the strangers that you're trying to turn into fans and then obviously customers later on, they're not going to sit through your little spiel because they want to know, well, what's the purpose of me watching this video? What am I going to get out of it? And by you jumping on and talking about yourself for a little bit, they're already gone somewhere else. So take note, because what I did in the beginning of this video is I told you exactly what you were going to get out of it before I introduced myself. And that's what you should be doing. In addition to that, I have a free guide of the 5 key elements that you need to include in your video in order to make sure that your video is grabbing attention and engaging people and keeping them through the end. You'll find a link to that in the description below. So there you have it, 3 quick fixes that you can make to create better videos for your business. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Don't forget to download your free guide.